Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Eli. This is RV East Coast. Today I have a product review for you, and we are going to be taking a look at this 600 watts battery. It's really good for boondocking scenarios. If you are like us, you're often traveling, taking overnight trips, and let me tell you, I lost track of how many nights we spent outside Walmart or a restaurant, at a farm, in the middle of nowhere. And having a battery bank is always good. Not everybody needs a solar system. For us, we are weekend travelers. Having a solar system in the top of our RV will be not only expensive, very expensive, but also definitely not necessary. So sometimes we use the generator, sometimes a battery like this is plenty. We decided to put this test to the unit. We decided to put this unit to the test and see what will be a typical boondocking night for our family. And I can tell you right off the bat that it did deliver. So this is a 600 watt battery. The wife is texting me. This is a 600 watts battery. It can be charged either from a wall outlet or from this cigarette port here. It can charge from 0 to 100 in about 2 to 1.5 hours. You want to be part of the video? Yeah. So Afton is joining me, but here in the front of the battery we have both AC and DC power. You know what AC power is?
No, but they're my initials.
Those are your initials, that's right. AC power is whatever you connect from a regular wall outlet. And then DC power, I believe I'm right, let me know in the comments if I'm not. DC power is what you connect on your RV that is coming from the battery system, like USB ports for your tablet. Do you use your tablet on a regular basis?
I don't have a tablet, I use my phone.
You use your phone? Do you use your phone on every trip we go?
Yes.
So you think we definitely need this for boondocking? Yeah. So one thing that I actually like about this is that you can use both AC and DC at the same time. So let's say I can be working on my laptop, and at the same time the kids can be charging their electronics, and it works really great. Why do you want to be in this video?
Because I have nothing better to do.
You have nothing better to do? How about go clean the RV?
No,
we need to do winterize it. You don't want to clean? How about if you clean your bedroom in the RV? All right, let me show you the test that I am setting up here. Look at this. Today we have beautiful weather, little break in this brutal Pennsylvania winter. Let me show you the test that I am setting up here. So normally when we go boondocking for the night, we have two main needs. One is watch TV, the kids can watch the TV for a couple of hours, and the second one is to run a fan, mostly all night. The rest of the things that we do on a regular basis, we don't need power for. We can make coffee in the stove, we can take showers and use the heater with propane. Using the lights and the water pump is not gonna kill the house batteries for one night. So the test that I am going to do now, we are going to connect the TV and the fan. I have a small fan here. If we can get the TV running for about, let's say 2 hours, that shouldn't be a problem for this battery. And if we can get the fan running for a few hours, then we will be good. This will be enough for many people to do a one night boondocking. So let's give it a try. Normally, we wouldn't connect the fan to our battery bank, because this is what we do. We use this fan. Now what is special about this fan is that we use the same type of batteries that we use with other accessories that we use all the time. To lower the jacks, we use this drill, and it uses the same kind of batteries than the fan. Also, the leaf blower, when you make it to a site, especially in the fall, and it's like lots of leaves and stuff, you clean your area. When there's a lot of sand, you're camping by the beach. So all three accessories that I have here, they work with the same kind of batteries. Now, with one of the big batteries, we can run the fan all night on high. So remember, when you are boondocking, it's about optimizing the little power that you have in your battery pack like this one, or in the house batteries. So that's just one of the extra steps that we take to save the battery. All right, everything is set up. I have the TV running off the battery pack, and I also have a fan down there. The fan is running on low. I'm gonna check in about 2 hours. The screen here says that with this configuration, the TV and the fan should be running for about 11 hours. So if that is the case, we should be totally fine tonight. Arlo and I are gonna be driveway camping tonight, so we can keep an eye on the experiment. All right, it's been 2 hours. The TV and the fan are still going, and according to the battery, it should be on for another. Oh, it was just 10 hours now, just now. I don't know if you saw it. So looks like I'm getting more time than is projected on the screen.
A few inches later.
All right, little update. It's now 10 p.m. It actually went up. Now it says I have 15 hours left with the fan. The battery is at 72%. Maybe I'm gonna turn on the TV for another hour or so. All right.
The next day.
Good morning, little guy. Are you down there? Good morning, baby. You like driveway camping? All right, so good morning, everybody. Today is the first day of spring for us. We are so happy. So the fan back here has been running all night, and the power right now is at 12%. We still have 12% left. It says that we should be able to run the fan for another 5 hours. That's impressive. So I'm gonna do the last test. I personally don't think it's gonna work. I think it's too much power consumption for the battery, but I'm gonna try to connect the Keurig and try to make coffee on the unit. We only have 12% battery left, and I think my prediction is that the unit is gonna shut down because it's too much power. What, Arla? So let's give it a try. If this thing works, then I'll be very impressed. I am already impressed with the battery, but let's give it a try. Put the coffee in here, put water. I'm gonna connect it. Let's see. And here we go. Now it's loading the water, but the power consumption hasn't started yet. When the resistance starts heating up the system, that's where I think this thing is gonna shut down. So let's see. All right, the water is in. Now it's going to start. And automatically it didn't work. You see the error here? Because it's just too much power consumption for this unit. fortunately, there are many things that you can do to avoid this type of problems. When we are boondocking, we never use the coffee maker. We just make coffee in the stove in a mocha pot. I already told you about saving battery by using a fan, a battery operated fan. You will save this battery more. And also, even your electronics, you can charge all your electronics here during a boondocking night. But what we do is that we try to charge our electronics in the truck while we are driving during the day. A few of the things that I really like about this unit. It has USB ports, regular USB ports. Then you have your USB-C ports for your iPhone, your tablets. Then you have a USB-C 60 watts. That means that I can probably connect my laptop without the charging block straight to this unit. And I can probably work and recharge my laptop. And then you have your regular household or shore power outlets. It has a little torch, a little light here. I really don't know how much I will use that, but maybe if you run out of battery in your RV in the middle of the night, you want to see what do you want to connect in front of it, and maybe you will use it as a flashlight. I don't think I will do that, but
3 days later.
all right, I am recording this part a few days later. Now I am about to go on a video shoot for a client of mine, and I forgot last night to charge the batteries for my main camera. So this is another usage for the charger right here. I can leave my battery charging all day in the car and then go to my shoot. So the batteries are going to be charging in the truck, and yeah, that's another good application for this battery pack. That's it. The unit is very, very light. My son, who's 5, can probably walk around with this thing. All right, so that's what I have for you today. VATID 600 watts. I am going to put a link in the description below if you're interested in buying it. A few things to mention. Number 1, we are not getting paid to make this review. They did send this unit for us to take a look and show it to you, but we can say whatever we want. As a matter of fact, they don't get to see this video until it gets uploaded to YouTube. So link on the description below. If you like it, go ahead and get it. My name is Eli, and this is RV East Coast. I'll see you next time.